Hello guys, in today's video I will be fixing this calculator. As you can see, its display is damaged. So without further delay, let's get started. First, take and clean the calculator using water and a brush. Make sure that water do not seep into the calculator. After cleaning it, it would look like this. Now open the calculator. As you can see that the battery is rusted. Open the calculator and clean it. Now using a paper cutter or blade, separate this. And also the silver plastic. Do this with utmost care. Make sure that you do not cut yourself or break the LCD glass. It took me almost 20 minutes to do so. Now separate the thin plastic layer which is present on the LCD as shown. Take your time. Make sure that you do not scratch the surface. After you have removed the plastic layer, it would look like this. If possible, clean the screen using a wet alcohol-based wipes, or you can use a cloth. This is to ensure that all the prints, marks or any sort of contaminants is wiped from the surface. Stick a tape on the screen. If you have a transparent tape the size of the screen, use that. Make sure that you do not have any fingerprint on it. Also remove all the bubbles from it. Next, take a silver plastic with few or no wrinkles on it. paste it as shown. You should use a transparent glue. Now reassemble all the parts together. This battery is not working, so I used another battery source having the same voltage as that of the battery. As you can see, there is a color difference where the two tapes overlapped. You can avoid this by using a single large transparent tape. As you can see, it works. Thank you so much for watching. If you like such videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys on my next video. Bye bye.